Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arsta, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I want to give you guys a one-on-one tutorial on how to discover what's causing your plant to die. A lot of gardeners out here do the same mistake, and sometimes the plant shows the problem early ahead and you know what the problem is, but sometimes the plant is not showing it, obviously, and you have to do a bit of research to see what the problem could be brewing underneath the soil. So today, unfortunately, we have Maria with us today. Maria's not looking so hot, and so I don't know what's going on. And so today I'm gonna go ahead and do a bit of a research behind what's causing Maria to not look so happy and what we could do to prevent it and what we could do to fix up our mistakes. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So Ultimate Gardeners, as you can see, here we have Maria. Maria's not looking so hot. Some of her stems died out, and her live stems are not looking so great either. And so I already dug it up. So the first step you have to do is dig it up from its original area if it's in the ground. This one was in the ground. And so second is you want to go ahead and look closely at the root system of the plant. So let me go ahead and actually zoom in a little bit in the camera and show you guys what I mean. So here's Vanessa. You can see the base of Vanessa is not looking so good either. You can see that the base of her root system is turning black, and where the oat stems used to be is starting to be a little bit wobbly. And actually here in this gaping hole, I literally dug up right here this rotted stem. And this is one of those signs or red flags to show that you are overwatering and this plant is dying because of rot. Second, you want to go ahead and observe the root system and the soil to see if there's any bugs in there. And guess what? No surprise there. We have an ant colony in this plant right now. And even though there's ants all over my garden and a lot of plants don't show stress because of it, Maria is. So I have to figure out which one is doing which, whether it be the ants or whether it be the overwatering. So let me go ahead and bring the camera up closer and let's go ahead and discover what's going on with Maria. So Ultimate Gardeners, here we have it. And so I actually noticed that the underleaves of it had powdery mildew. So that could be another causing of the stress of this plant. So here I preparated the soil already. So when it comes to transplanting a plant, you want to go 2 times bigger than the original pot. This pot right here, the original size of Maria was a 3-gallon size pot. I upgraded to a 5-gallon size pot. So you want to put fresh soil down there. I use the Timberline cow manure compost, which works great for me. And you want to add a fertilizer down there, either it be biotone fertilizer, flower tone, or plant tone. Those would work great, as well as the worm castings. Then you want to go ahead and get your plant right there. Put it in the middle, like so. And so a huge thing you want to do if the plant is being stressed because of overwatering, you do not want to overfill the pot. You don't want to cover up the crown of the plant. So these are the stems right here, the root system, and the middle of it is the crown of the plant. You don't want to cover that up. You don't want to submerge that because that crown has been through too much already. So you only want to fill up until here. So let's go ahead and do just that. You're gonna get the soil, put it around it like so. Get a good amount around there, the sides, because the roots have to be grown sideways. That's how the way hardy hibiscus grows. Tap the sides, make sure that there's barely any air pockets. Pat it down, more soil around the roots, like so. And you are technically done. If you have any exposed roots, you could go ahead and go along and get a few soil bunches and just throw them on there like that, so you wouldn't have any exposed roots. But it's okay if a bit of your root is exposed. You just want to take care of that crown. So that's technically it. Then you want to go ahead and water it down very little. You might be wondering why we're watering it even though it literally is dying because of root rot. It doesn't matter. Every plant, once it's transplanted, requires a bit of water for it to actually move ahead. So you want to give it a little bit of water and then leave it for it to dry out in between waterings. And then if you see new growth coming out the sides, that means you success in your plant transformation. But if you see the tender stems turn dead, that doesn't technically mean that the plant is dead. You just wait until new growth to pop up from here. But if nothing ever happens over 2 weeks, unfortunately the plant didn't make it. And don't feel bad, because all gardeners go through this and all plants are replaceable. And so this is a good attempt of a shooting to get these plants to survive. But nothing's guaranteed in the garden. They could look beautiful in one moment and end up dying in another. So don't be sad, you at least tried your best. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, don't stress over to make these plants live, because plants, actually believably, plants could die for overcare. Plants just like to be planted and let them do their own natural thing in the garden, and so you don't want to overstress to make this plant live. You want to at least have confidence in it, know you did everything right, and you should see new growth come out. But if not, at least you tried and at least you learned from your mistakes. So don't take it to heart. All plants are replaceable and you can soon get that in stock again. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.